Imagine you've been driving for years, maybe even decades. But one day, someone shows you a simple trick, something that saves you time, money, or stress. And you think, why didn't I know that before? That's what this video is all about. 21 practical, clever, and sometimes surprising car hacks you'll wish you had known sooner. And once you do, you'll never drive the same way again. Let's kick it off with one that could literally save your life. Ever leave your car parked and return to a scorching hot seatbelt buckle or boiling steering wheel? Here's the fix. Turn your steering wheel 180 degrees before you leave the car. That way, the part you actually grip will be in the shade. Simple genius and works every time. Next, you know those foggy headlights that ruin your car's look and visibility? You don't need expensive restoration kits. Just grab a tube of regular white toothpaste and a microfiber cloth. Rub it in circular motions, rinse off, and you'll see a shocking difference. It's not permanent, but it works great in a pinch. Lost your car in a huge parking lot? If your key fob doesn't have the range, hold it under your chin while pressing the button. Your body acts like an antenna and can extend the signal. It sounds weird, but it works. Here's a money saver. Before paying a mechanic to fix cloudy or weak AC airflow, check your cabin air filter. It's often just behind the glove box and easy to replace. A clogged filter makes your AC feel weak, but costs less than $20 to fix yourself. Got a stubborn check engine light but no idea what's wrong? Head to most auto parts stores. They'll scan your car's codes for free. You don't need a dealership to diagnose the issue, and you'll walk away with real insight. Struggling to remember which side your gas tank is on? Just look at the gas pump icon on your dashboard. There's a little arrow next to it pointing to the correct side. Most drivers go years without realizing that little lifesaver exists. Let's talk fogged up windows. Instead of constantly wiping them down, fill an old sock with kitty litter and leave it on your dash or under a seat. The litter absorbs moisture and prevents fog from forming. It's cheap, fast, and actually works better than those pricey anti-fog sprays. Can't find a place to hold your phone for GPS? Use a rubber band and wrap it around the air vent to create a makeshift phone holder. It holds surprisingly well in a pinch. Need extra storage? Hang a shoe organizer over the back of your seats. Use the pockets for snacks, wipes, sunglasses, charging cables. Everything stays organized and within reach. You know that moment when you're filling up gas and the nozzle keeps clicking off? Try pulling it out slightly. Most of the time, that solves the air gap issue in the tank. It's not broken, it's just sensitive to flow resistance. Got scratches on your dashboard or interior panels? A little olive oil and a microfiber cloth can make them disappear or at least blend in. Just be careful not to make surfaces slippery.